just wanted to come on here and I guess like give a little intro to the vlog because yesterday I basically just went through and cleaned out and decluttered my closet. Filmed me doing all of that stuff, but I didn't make like a formal intro for it, so I just wanted to come on here and do that. That is the footage that you guys are about to see right now, kind of like vlog style. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm getting rid of stuff that's just not my style anymore because, honey, like I said, y'all, I have a bunch of sandals in this corner that I'm just going to go through and start putting in the trash bag. These I am keeping. Look at these. Like old BB sandals. I think I've had these shoes for at least like 3 years and I have never worn them out. Look at the bottom. So, yeah. Definitely going in donation bag. Okay, and then we get down here. And I have shoes that I also need to get rid of. Like what, Erica? I've had these shoes for a while. I don't even know where I got them from. Definitely getting rid of these. These are my birthday shoes. I think not last year, but the year before. I got these from Symone. I really actually like these still, so I'm going to keep them.
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my.
Y'all, why was I looking for an everyday black bag?
Cake and eat it too, but a little grace would be enough for me to prove that baby you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know
I don't think I ever like really showed y'all like the bucket bag. And then it comes with this little pouch, and then inside the pouch I just put the strap for the purse. You can wear it as a shoulder bag or like a handle bag. So cute for $20, y'all, at TJ Maxx. Then I forgot I have these like neon snakeskin sandals that match the bag perfectly. Like, this is why I need to clean my closet because I be forgetting I have stuff.
attitude. I need my cake and eat it too, but a little time will be enough.
This I'm actually going to replace with like clear shoe bins, like a stack of clear shoe bins, because I feel like this just takes a lot of unnecessary space up at the moment. But I mean, I need it as of right now because I need something to put my shoes on. So right now I'm going to keep it, obviously, but I need something else that is more something that's a little bit more minimalistic.
With you, my highs and my lows. It's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can. 'Cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want these problems. I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it. Working out my issues with you. See your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go
Okay,
to work.
so I got rid of 5 pairs of jeans. I think that's good.
I can't take no more. I miss your touch. from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind, go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life? Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you, I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me. Your love, 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 put your love on me.
All right, y'all, so these are the bags. It's just 3 bags: clothes, shoes, purses, all types of stuff. And then this is my closet, which I love. I feel like I made very simple changes, but still, like, I feel a lot better about the pieces that are in my collection and like my shoes and stuff. Yeah, but that's that. So